Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and for today I have another video. This time is gonna be a short one. It's a new subscription for me, which is called Oh Yas. Here is the name of this, and I'll leave all the information down below in the description box because I don't remember exactly how much is this per month. It's around $13 anyway. So I'll leave the site and the link down below, the website where you can subscribe for this box if you want. And let's go ahead and see what's in this one. First thing I see here, take your best shot, tag us on Instagram. And here is the box inside. Looks like this. And the first item in here is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this one is eyeshadow palette Go Smoky, which looks like this, but because it is sealed and it's a full-size palette, I will leave this one for a future giveaway. Here are the colors in the palette. I'm not sure if you can see that. But anyway, the palette is called Eyeshadow Palette Go Smoky, and I believe this one is a full size, at least it looks like. So this is the first item in here, and I believe just this one covers the price of the box. Then the next item is this one, and this one is from Bella Pierre also. It's which is called Diamond Magic Buffer. Very handy to use one of these, to have one of these. I use those all the time, so this is a good item for me. Then we have here this item, which is Beauty Cocoa for teeth whitening, and it's this one. It seems like this one is a good size. And also we have in here, still from Bella Pierre, and it seems like most of the items are from Bella Pierre. This is Bella Pierre Precious Diamonds. This is hand and body lotion, and this one seems to be a full size, infused with natural botanic extracts and essential oils. It has the seal, but because I just squeezed this, it's not there anymore. I don't feel any scent of this, but of course I just spread it around. I just put this on my hand. I want to see how fast this one absorbs. Actually, it has a very light scent, which is a pleasant one. And I like the way it absorbs in the skin. It's in it already. I don't feel it anymore. It's not sticky, so this is a good cream. Then we have in here Beauty Cocoa Smile Bamboo Toothbrush, and I believe this is a set with this one. I'm not sure if this brand didn't came in the FabFitFun, maybe not, but and here is the brush, the toothbrush. But in one of the FabFitFun's boxes we got another set similar with this one. So then we have a nail file, still from Bella Pierre, and also last product in here is this guy, which is still from Bella Pierre. Is cuticle treatment. It's a good size. I'm using those kind of items every night, so this is a good one for me also. Let's see if this one has any scent. No, it doesn't have any scent. It's very watery, it doesn't look like an oil, but we'll see how this one works. So far I think it's a great box for the value for $13 because we have this full size cuticle treatment. We have also the nail file. We have this set for teeth whitening. Is this one the brush, and probably this one is a powder. We have this full size hand cream, hand and body lotion, which is nice. This one let my skin very soft and silky also. I like this one. And then we have this buffer and the eyeshadow palette in a full size. We have 12 colors here: Pour, Safety, Day, Blanket, Gaze, Adore, Metal, Rumor, Thrill, Cosmetic, Onyx, and Cool. So is this palette. As I said, I'm not gonna open this or swatch because I will put this for a future giveaway. So that is all in this box. I think it's worth it for $13. It's 13 or $13.99, something like that per month. We'll see for how long I'll keep this one. We'll see how the next one is. But as I said, I'm getting ready for other giveaways, so I'm adding some items to that box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a great week, which is almost done already. If Monday is gone, the rest of that it's like not there. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.